Ever wonder if your body has a hidden reset button for aging? A secret mechanism to turn back the clock on a cellular level? For centuries, humanity has searched for the fountain of youth. What if I told you that fountain is already inside you? It's a powerful natural process called autophagy. The name autophagy comes from Greek, literally meaning self-eating. But it's not as scary as it sounds. Imagine your cells are bustling cities. Over time, they accumulate waste, damaged proteins, old parts, and other cellular junk. Autophagy is the city's highly efficient cleanup and recycling program. It systematically identifies this waste, breaks it down, and reuses the raw materials to repair the cell or create new energy. Here's how this microscopic miracle happens. When your cells are under mild stress, a special double-membraned sac called an autophagosome begins to form. Think of it as a smart recycling bag. It moves through the cell, seeking out and engulfing the damaged or unnecessary components. Once full, this bag travels to the cell's ultimate recycling center, the lysosome, which is filled with powerful enzymes that break down the contents into usable molecules. So how does this help you live longer? The accumulation of cellular junk is a primary cause of aging. It gums up the works, leading to reduced function and increased risk of age-related diseases. Autophagy is our body's defense. By consistently clearing out this debris, it maintains cellular health, reduces inflammation, and improves energy efficiency. It's not just about living longer, but about living healthier for longer. The most exciting part is that we can influence this process. The most potent activators of autophagy are simple lifestyle choices. Intermittent fasting, where you cycle between periods of eating and not eating, is a powerful signal for your cells to begin this cleanup. Regular exercise also puts just enough stress on the body to kickstart this vital recycling process. Autophagy isn't a magic cure, but a fundamental biological process. By embracing simple habits like mindful eating and staying active, you're giving your body the tools it needs to repair and rejuvenate itself from the inside out.